How to fix Discord stock on starting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord when it's stock on starting. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to restart the Discord. So the first step is the simplest. Simply close the Discord app completely from the taskbar or the system tree and make sure it's not running in the background. And after that, you can simply open it again because sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to run as administrator. So here, if Discord still won't start, then you can simply right click on the Discord shortcut, and after that, from the drop down menu, you can simply click on Run as Administrator. And this can fix permission issues that prevent Discord from launching properly. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear the Discord cache. So Discord may get stuck due to the corrupted cache files. So here simply press Windows plus R, and now here in this section simply type in percentage percentage app data percentage and simply press enter. And or you can simply write percentage temp percentage as well and simply type on it. And after that, it will show you all the temporary files. So here you can simply delete all these files here and try opening the Discord app again. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the Discord app. So sometimes Discord won't start because it's outdated. So here you can simply open any web browser, and now here you can simply search for the Discord and go to their website. And now here, simply check if there is any update button or updated version available. If you find any updated version available, then you can simply download it. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to reinstall the Discord. So here, if nothing works, then you can simply delete the Discord app, and after that, you can simply reinstall it again. And once you do it, it will refresh all the glitches and issue within the app. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to check internet or firewall. So here, make sure that your internet connection is stable because sometimes Discord can't start if the firewall or antivirus is blocking it or if the connection itself is not working properly. And that's it. That's how you can fix Discord stuck on starting. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.